Really enjoying my sausages. They're honey maple.
Oh, gosh. Okay, so you can see how she's trying to recreate a fruit here.
My goodness, they look
It doesn't look delicious. What?
delicious.
How is this the world I'm living in that people actually think this looks delicious?
Because what people eat has nothing to do with you. Soz.
Hey, Frugivore, welcome back to TikTok. Here we are, back in this corner of TikTok where it's just these individuals need the most help. They really, really do. And I am here to help. A lot of you are here to help as well because it's very sad, the path that they're going down. And I genuinely care and I want them to connect up with a fruit-based, plant-based lifestyle and save their lives and save animals' lives, right? Because look what, just shocking, just absolutely shocking. But unfortunately, there's some individuals who want to call out the people who care, like myself, and tell us to shut up, basically, and say it's none of your business what people eat. Yeah, don't say anything. And look, I'm going to show you one of these videos right now. All right, so let's get into it straight away. Luke Hannan Nutrition. Looking all shiny here. Young guy, personal trainer. Let's hear what he has to say.
What do you eat in a day as a fat person who's not on a diet?
Okay, as a personal trainer and nutritionist, let's see if I can give her some advice. Ha! Just kidding. She didn't fucking ask, and it's none of my business, so I'm not...
Okay, so he just stated that he is a personal trainer, so he has some idea about fitness. Okay, I've got a personal training qualification myself, and yes, you do learn a lot about fitness and you do learn about nutrition as well, but we know that industry has a big influence on what people are learning these days. So he said he's a nutritionist. That does not mean a lot, but the fact that he has obviously more knowledge on how to be slim. He's probably on steroids, I'm not sure 100%, but these days, I'm telling you, a lot of them are. But he obviously has some advice he can give, but he's like, nah, she didn't fucking ask me, so I'm not going to give her any advice. It's like these individuals, obviously, they're asking, but it's in the way of they're demonstrating how unwell they are, what they're eating. Like, this is their form of asking for help. It may not be overtly like, hey, help me, but it is a way of them actually reaching out. I know that might seem strange, but when you're displaying all this food and when you're eating like this, and it's a cry for help, really. And that's what I'm here for, and that's what a lot of you are here for, to actually help these individuals, because they're obviously on the wrong path, and they've got one foot in the grave. You know, they're heading for an early death. And they're taking a lot of animals with them. So let's speak up. Let's actually care enough to speak up. This guy is saying, no, don't care.
I'm not going to comment on what she's eating, and you should do the same thing.
Okay, I'm not going to comment on what she's eating, and neither should you. Well, I actually care. I care enough to speak up. You obviously don't care enough to speak up. You're virtue signaling. That's what he is doing here. Just to get all the like, hey, oh, wow, thank you so much. Yes, don't comment. Yeah, like, it may be uncomfortable to hear that the way you're eating is killing you and it's killing animals, but you need to hear it. Okay, someone needs to speak up for you, for your health, and for the animals as well. And he's just saying, like, he's just shaming individuals like myself and those of you out there who want to help. It's really sad.
Because what people eat has nothing to do with you. Soz.
Oh, that was awkward. Soz. I think you must have written this down. Yeah, look, I'm afraid it does have a lot to do with us, because what you eat impacts on the environment around you. It impacts on the animals around you. This all in turn impacts on us. So
Soz. Let's make some effort to make TikTok a less toxic place.
That's the thing. This is toxic. This sort of stuff is toxic. It's literally killing this planet and killing people, killing animals. That is toxicity. We want to get this toxicity out of people's bodies. Help them, guide them. They need our help, bro. Like, 4.7 million likes. You know, this is sad. All he's just trying to do is get followers, not actually help people. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's just try and help these people, because I want to help them. And I've actually helped a number of individuals who are carrying a lot of extra weight, a lot of extra fat, because that's what it is. You're not fat. You just have extra fat. Don't make it your identity, right? So let's listen to what she eats in a day and try and help.
and haters, this is what I eat in a day.
So she immediately said something about haters.
Hi, friends and haters, this is what I eat in a day as a fat person eating whatever I want.
Okay, so sure, we can all eat whatever we want, but we are going to face the consequences. And having this much extra weight around your organs is going to damage you. It's going to lead to an early death. It's going to lead to extra pain. You know, you need to think about these things.
Because I can.
Of course you can. We all can. But it's, yeah. Bagel with cream cheese, right? Just quickly, look at the amazing results people are getting. Amy, here. Excellent transformation in a short amount of time. Rachel, I lost 20 pounds in 4 months on the Raw to 4 diet. My mum was so impressed. She and my little sister will be joining me. These are real people. Tonya gave me 2 testimonials, not too far apart. She started out at 317 pounds and she's down to 289. And then she left another one. As of yesterday, I'm down to 279. I feel great. Getting ready to pop outside for my morning run. This individual says, Freelee saved my life, lost 10 kilos in 9 months. I've lost 10 pounds so far and never feel hungry or deprived. Lucifer is my dad. Freelee, I was so honored that you shared my work. I'm doing Raw to 4 since January. She's lost almost 50 pounds since going vegan and another 40 pounds since January. And she's been doing high carb as well. Raw to 4. I've been doing Raw to 4 since January. Thanks for putting yourself forward and speaking up. This individual, I'm now 12 pounds down, clearer skin, never craving anything. Yeah, just stop and read. Just stop and read their testimonials. I've been Raw to 4 since since April. I have lost over 12 kilos now, slimming down more each day. But best of all, my energy is through the roof. My partner has also joined me. Kirsty Charles, it doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Starting weight 209 pounds, current weight 117 pounds. Raw to 4, baby. And I recommend you check out all my books and you can get a great price for the bundle, a good discount, because I know you're going to enjoy all my books and you're going to get different benefits from the different books. So change your life today. Check out my bundle of books. A link is in the description below.
My morning with a bagel and cream cheese, and then I went out to lunch and had some wings and curly fries and cheese, which is so...
Yikes. What? 15 Hooters medium breaded wings with curly fries and cheese. All right, where is the life at all here? There is nothing. Sissy, you need to have some living, something living, especially on Rising, please. Living, you know, some color, not just all beige, beige, white, beige.
Cheese, and then I went out to lunch and had some wings and...
Yikes, wow. Yeah, very, very fried, very, very carcinogenic. And she's got here, what I eat in a day as a fat person, fat liberation, fat lib. Like, this is a dangerous movement.
Fries and cheese, which is so good.
Smoothie bowl, good on you. It would have been better if you had this at the start of the day. This would have set you off on the right foot, you know? Good to get some color in there. You don't need the honey.
For dinner, I made a smoothie bowl, which I always make with some berries and yogurt, and I always top it off with some granola and honey, which is...
See how tiny this serve is? And you saw how big the other one was? She's getting just a tiny amount from this, and then she's loading up on the fried rubbish, animal bits and pieces.
It's like so refreshing, so good. We love it. And then to end my night, I had a piece of chocolate cake.
See, Hooters chocolate cake. She's living out of Hooters, basically. Oh, you know, you can see what's going wrong here. Not eating enough of the good stuff, not getting enough in, and then just turning to this absolute frankenfood, human-engineered rubbish.
Because I can.
Yeah, we all can. We can all eat like this. I was going down a path like this, you know. It's not fun. It's nothing to be proud of. It's not an achievement in any way. It's just the dropping of standards. It's just having low standards. It's not something to be proud of or to aim for. So let me have a look here. Like, I absolutely hate this music, this one. What I eat in a day... Oh. I can't stand that music, so we got to turn it down. Let's see what she eats in a fat bee. Okay. What is a jambon? Sister, no. It just looks like a fried thing with like cheese and pig muscle tissue or something. It's very beige, isn't it? The world is becoming very, very beige when you look at the diet. 4. Okay? Not just one. At least she's honest. You see what I mean? Like, this is not filling. You got to get this, okay? This is very low in fiber. Even though it can look like, oh, they got pastry, stuff like that, extremely low in fiber. So this is not going to fill her stomach sac. Okay, so it's not going to expand the stomach wall. It's not going to send those signals of satiation to her brain. So she's just going to run out and get more of this low fiber rubbish. It's important to get that fiber fact, 4 Pink Panther wafers. Virtually no fiber again. Like, this does nothing. Okay, this does nothing in her gut. So we got a little bit more, but still very low fiber, McDonald's. You're not going to get a lot of fiber there. Fiber has left the chat, or fiber never even entered the chat. Yeah, so in your gut, this actually ends up being not a lot of volume. Please get this. If you want to lose weight, if you want to get fitter and healthier, you need to expand that stomach wall every time you eat. And the only way you can do that sufficiently is with a fruit-based diet. Sure, plant-based as well. That is great. Potatoes, sweet potatoes cooked, and, rice, and not bad, all right? But the best is fruit because it has the water and it has the fiber, also has that glucose, fructose for the brain satiation. She's not happy doing this. It's easy to do a video and appear like, yeah, life's cool, I don't care. Don't give a fuck if I'm fat. They do actually care. That's just really gross. So she's got a few animals here. A few animals on one burger. All right, so that's a nightmare. Definitely go and tell these individuals about Raw Till 4, about fruit-based lifestyle, about these videos that I make, and hopefully they can have a look, and get inspired.
What I eat in a day as a fat woman who's not interested in diet culture or losing weight.
Oh, wow. Okay, so she's not interested in diet culture or losing weight. Good. You don't have to be. Okay, don't be interested in losing weight. Don't be interested in diet culture. Just be interested in genuinely getting healthy and finding out what your species is meant to eat. That's all I ask.
For breakfast, I had some sausages and chocolate chip pancakes.
Did she really have that many sausages? Maybe not, right? No, she could have, I guess. Or maybe that was for her and a partner or family or something. Oh gosh, they look terrible.
For breakfast, I had some sausages and chocolate chip pancakes. These look so delicious, and watch when I flip it. Yes.
That's not too exciting for me.
I love that. Here you can see I'm
Gosh. Oh, wow. Why is it all gooey and
really enjoying my sausages. They're honey maple.
Oh, gosh. Okay, so you can see how she's trying to recreate a fruit here. Honey maple. It's juicy. It's sweet. It's not like the pig flesh like that where it came from, right? It's not from the animal. It's like a fruit in the end. It just becomes this sweet, juicy thing. But obviously so far from it. Oh, what?
Favorite.
Hang on, sorry, I got a little bit impatient there. All right, so there's the chips. Okay, looks.
Been watching Bee and Puppy Cat.
Fried.
Half of these were spicy fries, which are my absolute favorite.
People are just what?
So I just pulled these out of the oven.
Oh my goodness. This is just like that thing, and I watched in the other video, I've never seen anything that looks this terrible. This is up with that.
Oh my goodness, they look
It doesn't look delicious. What?
delicious.
How is this the world I'm living in that people actually think this looks delicious? Tell me in the comments, does that really look delicious to you?
Gonna give it a little.
It just does not to me. Got to add some color there because it is so beige. So carcinogenic. Okay.
This
Okay, so she's got some
dinner.
pasta at least. Got some carbohydrate, but what else? A heap of cheese.
Of champions. If you're wondering what this is, it's hot sauce. So we devoured this dinner. It was so delicious.
See, a lot of people think this is what's adding the fat. No, the pasta is not adding the fat. It's what you're putting with it. Look at all the grease. So greasy. Animal bits and pieces. Cheese. It is not the actual pasta. Eat as much pasta as you want, please. Gonna have something sweet now.
Here is me taking my first bite. I already knew I loved it at this point, so I just want to remind you guys. This is my sister Charlotte. Okay,
yeah, there you go. There you go. Massive, massive sugar hit right here.
Coconut, and Charlotte got...
Because she doesn't have enough like glucose and fructose in her diet. So yeah, that was predictable. Yes. Okay. Oh wow. Hang on. So what I eat in a day as a fat girl who just went vegan. Yeah. That is great. I'm not sure what's going on her stomach there.
Fat girl who just went vegan. I wanted a smoothie, but then it turned...
Good on her for showing like the start, you know, just showing her body, hey, this is me, and I'm going vegan, and I think that's fantastic. I support you, and this looks like a good start.
Into a smoothie bowl, and I added some
Wow, that looks so delicious. Okay.
topping. Later, I had some homemade salsa and vinegar chips, and for
Okay. Well, could be better, but yeah.
dinner, I made a tofu stir fry, and my husband made this flatbread out of lentils, and then I had cereal with...
That's great. That was creative of him. They might be just like, you know, kind of just trying things out and trying to be creative with the plant-based recipes. That looks pretty good.
And then I had cereal with almond milk and prednisone.
Prednisone? She's having some medication as well. Okay. So look, this is definitely, I mean, I don't know whether this is scars and it won't go, but I would say that this will go, this skin either irritation or scarring, I'm not sure, but my skin is so much better on this lifestyle. It's crazy. Gosh, I used to have acne, so you can expect
What I eat in a day?
You can expect that this will improve. All right, and you just need to eat more. You really, really do. Please try Raw Till 4 fruit-based diet. Get the book. It will help you a lot. But great, Sylvia, the GOMAT. Then, yeah. So that's the video for today, okay? I'm just going to like leave this one on while I talk. I want to help these individuals. That personal trainer doesn't want to help them, okay? He just wants to get like likes and virtue signaling. He, you know, wants to just be popular for conforming and being like, oh yeah, it's none of my business. I'm not gonna comment. And you gotta comment. Like, how are these people gonna change? From me commenting, I've changed so many lives and showing like the way to health and guiding people and saving animals' lives. It's been amazing. And, you know, just if someone feels a little bit uncomfortable for a moment just because you comment on their food, so what? If it helps get them out of a hole and helps them on the right path for the rest of their life, that was worth it. So anyway, always speak up. Don't listen to people like him. And, you know, you don't have to be mean to people, but just give them the truth. And yeah, we need more of that. So don't forget to go fruit yourself, and I will talk to you soon.